Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us look at the coin of today, which is fetch.ai. As you can see, we are still ranked 167 with a market cap of $191.86 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about 30.57 million. As you can see, we are up 45% for the year. We are down just 29.4% for the month. And for the week, as you can see, we are down 4.8%. And at the day of recording, we are down just about 4%. But what is going to happen next to fetch.ai? Let's go even to the chart. As you can see on the chart, we are on the chart for Fetch versus the USDT. We are on the daily time frame. And as you can see, this is the chart for the daily time frame, even for fetch.ai. And one of the things we could see is that Fetch has been respecting all our support and resistance levels. As you can see, we push right down every time as you can see, our accumulation levels. We pushed every single time we pushed. As you can see, we had some consolidation and push right down into our resistance. As you can see, our line acting as resistance, and since then, as you can see, we pushed even to the downside, right down to our red line, which acted as support right down here, and we saw another push, and since then we have been pushing even to the downside. Currently, as you can see, we are holding support of our green line, so we should be expecting a huge support right down here, even for Fetch. And if for any reason we are able to break the support, we should see just one last push even to the upside before we could see the mother of all bull runs even to the upside, right? And this is the count I am favoring. One last push even to the downside before we see a very, 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 very huge push even to the upside right there in the medium to long term. So we are expecting a one push to the downside and then another very huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. If we bring up some of our indicators right down here, as you can see, this is our money flow. And what our money flow helps us to do is to make us understand what is happening behind the scenes as regards fetch.ai. So right, and this is just helping us understand what is happening with the money, right? Is money coming into Fetch or is money leaving Fetch? And as you can see right down at the bottom, we have been seeing some sort of accumulation right now. Yeah, we are seeing some sort of little selling pressure right coming into Fetch, right? And that's why we are favoring one more push even to the downside before we could see the mother of all bull runs. So we are favoring the counts that we could see one last push even to the downside and then a huge push to the upside. Also, if we look at our MACD, as you can see, we have a huge MACD cross on the daily, right? Meaning we should be bullish on Fetch, right? But we could see, right, another huge fake out to the downside before we see a huge push to the upside, such as this place, right? So we could see one last fake out before we see a very, very huge push to the upside. So that is our count on Fetch. One more low, and then we could see a huge beginning of a very, very huge bull run, even for Fetch in the medium to long term. If you like the analysis, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.